Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, securely lift your vehicle using a jack and place it on sturdy jack stands. This ensures a safe working environment. Finally, gather all your tools, including various wrenches and a ratchet set, to prepare for the task ahead. Now locate the starter, which is typically on the passenger side of the engine. You may need to remove a few components like a heat shield or exhaust pipe to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire. Then, use the appropriate size wrench to unbolt the starter from its housing, usually 2 or 3 bolts, and gently remove it. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new starter with its mounting holes on the engine block. Insert and hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your wrench to tighten them securely, but do not over-tighten. Finally, reattach the main power cable and the solenoid wire to their respective terminals on the new starter, ensuring a snug connection. You're almost done. Now, reinstall any components you removed earlier, such as heat shields or exhaust pipes, ensuring everything is properly secured. Once all parts are back in place, reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal. Double-check all connections. Finally, lower the vehicle and attempt to start it to confirm the new starter is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.